y'all, welcome to the Crafty Diamond. I am Debbie. Today is week 2 of our Sparkle Addiction event, and I hope that week 1 went really well for you. I hope you were able to get something done, or at least just decide what you wanted to work on. I was out of town, so I am still going through comments. I'm still looking at Facebook, have not really interacted that much in our group yet because I was out of town last week, but I am working on it, working on getting caught up. But I wanted to reach out to you guys today just for a short video to let you know that there is, in fact, a winner from week 1. And we're going to show that in just a few minutes. That was for a gift certificate for $15 to DP with Sparklers, and I purchased several ABs and one pixie dust from DP with Sparklers, and also I have quite a few crystals. And I went through my stash and decided what I already had, what I wanted to use possibly for this kit, and a couple of things I wanted to purchase. So I thought I'd just go ahead and show you that for today, and then also give you the information for our giveaway for next week. So next week's giveaway, I will have a secret word in this video somewhere. You will use that word and you will put it in the comments, and then I will choose next week. If you have not already done so, please make sure you have filled out the Google form. If the form is not filled out, we will not be able to award the prize to you. You need to have a start photo and you need to have that Google Doc completed. For a start photo, you can put that underneath Facebook, or you can send it to either myself or to Angie. But definitely the Google Doc is extremely important. So I wanted to just show you what I've done so far on my canvas. And this is the Sugar Plum Fairy by Mandy Manzano from Diamond Art Club. And it is a 56 centimeter by 89 centimeter. And this one is over 2 years old. It's been in my stash for quite a long time. And when I started working on this week, I realized this is acrylic drills. I haven't worked with acrylic drills in a really long time. It is feeling rather different placing the drills. It's taking me a little bit longer to place them, but I love the shine still. I'm adding quite a bit more bling, and I do have several that are in my stash that are even 3 years old. So I'm sure those are going to have different drills as well. Now, if you were to order this kit now, because it could be an upgraded kit, I'm assuming. I know that they were out of stock for a while, brought this back. So I am assuming that the kit will now be resin, the new drills, because I am almost positive that within 2.5 years that this one has been out of stock. So anyway, just wanted to throw that out at you. If you're still undecided on a kit, I am a Diamond Art Club affiliate. If you have never ordered from Diamond Art Club before, you can use my code and you can save a little bit, which also will help me in the channel. I may earn a small commission. There's never any obligation or expectation for you to order anything or to use anything in my discount codes. Just wanted to save you a little bit of money if you're interested in any of the other affiliations that I am with. So anyway, I have started on the first row here, and I kind of guessed, usually I will get my ruler out. I am very precise, but on this I want to get started, just kind of put it together. I'm almost done with my first row. I have just this part to do here, which I'll probably get that done either today or tomorrow and then start on the second row. I did go through and did some of the outlining. I like to do that with Mandy's. Like if I were using a coloring book, I would do the outline first. So that's what I kind of did with this. Kind of went down here a little bit, but I pulled out my DP with sparklers and thought those would be really cool And I may not use all these, I might, but they're here. And what I also did is that in my craft mates here that I used for my containers, what I do is, let me grab one. If I have any special drills, I will just circle it here. Usually I circle the DMC. I circle the number here, the scheme number here. And so that way I know I can go to 996, that I have that one out. Does not want to focus. Have that one out, and then I can just pull it, and I know that I have those. I also will have two trays out. I've been using my little Add More Zest tray. I have an Add More Zest tray that I've been using. I'll switch it up to a Christmas tray shortly. And then I have this little tray here that came with another kit. I will put the special drills in here if I have any, and then I'll put the regular drills here, so that way I don't mix them. I don't want to mix them and then have to pick them out whenever I put them back in baggies. So I don't want to fool with all of that. But I just went through and I thought these would look really good. I wanted a variety of colors that was going to bling it up. So I decided on this 350. I think that's really pretty. By the way, this is a round kit. So I have the ABs. If you're not familiar with ABs, that is Aurora Borealis. It just gives it more of a shine or a shimmer, and it does help the other shine all around it. And then here is an AB 956. This AB 3865, it's kind of a off-white, and I knew that I wanted to do some of her hair in this, but then I started working on it and I thought, I'm going to do her entire hair, all of the white in the canvas even this over here. I think it's part of her wings. I'm going to do that in this color. So I did go ahead and get an extra bag. So I hope I have enough. I should. I have about a half of a bag left that was in my stash, just in case. Then I decided on a yellow because I didn't want it to be all pinks and blues. So I did AB 743. Then I love pixie dust. I wanted to try out Tima's pixie dust. And so I got pixie dust 603. I've already used some of that. It looks really pretty. And I'll show you what that looks like. Then I have 996 AB. I went ahead and did go with extra blues. 3846. 3325. And then I went with some purples here and AB 718. And then I thought I'm going to throw a couple of crystals in here. So I did crystal 340 just for a variety, and then AB 208, 3705 AB, and then I have more crystals here. This one is 3811 that I had some extras of. Not sure if I'll use that one or not. And then I have AB 3801 and then AB 602. So all that I did was just go down and look at all of the DMCs that is in the kit. I went and I pulled what was in my stash, and then as I went through and found the ones that I had, I decided, did I think that would look really good as an AB or not? And then I also looked to see what others that I didn't have that I might like, and decided on about 4 more. Not sure which ones that I decided on. I know the yellow was one that I just purchased, and then the pixie dust, that definitely was one that I decided on. But I thought that what I've done so far I like. I did start over here, and I've got to get this fixed because it's driving me insane. I started on her eyebrow, and I was going to go ahead and do her face outlining, but I didn't do the other one, so it just looks kind of weird. But that will get changed as soon as I get there. But that's what I've done so far. I'm going to bring it down just a little bit. Here is the pixie dust all through here. That's pixie dust at the top there. And I do have all of this cream. That's all ABs. The black that's on the outline, the 310, I did not want to do those in ABs. I have 310 ABs, but I don't like that many ABs with 310. So I didn't think I would like the entire outline to be ABs. So I didn't do that, but I did some ABs all around. You can see some crystals that are mixed in. So far I'm really liking it. And if there's something that I don't like, I'll just pull it up and I'll just put regular drills there. So it's no big deal. Just try it, experiment. If you've never done it before, it's a lot of fun. It's addictive. Once you get started on it, you're going to want to buy more ABs and more specials and possibly a quad cube. I don't know how I'm going to do her eyes yet, but when I get there, I will decide. I am not one to just sit, look at a canvas, and then write everything down and say, okay, I'm going to do her eyes this. I don't map it out. I just kind of wing it. I do it as I go. Every once in a while, I will say, I've got to do this, and I know this is going to look good, but most of the time, I'm just winging it. And especially on this one, because it is meant, I think, to be blingy. And especially with this one being an older kit and the drills aren't as shiny as the newer kits are, but I have a lot in my stash and I am just going to work on the ones that I have, and this is one of them. So I hope that you have found some ideas possibly. And again, just go down the list, see what you have. Maybe just look and see what you think would be really pretty blinged up. I knew immediately that I wanted the piece in her hair to be blinged up. And so I thought, well, I'll go ahead and start with that and just move forward. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to write down the ones that I do use. I'm probably going to use all of those. I don't know, but it's not required to use that many. I'm just kind of over the top that way and like to do that. So the next item I want to do is to give you guys a secret password or secret code for next week. And that is going to be, trying to think, let's go with sugar for Sugar Plum Fairy. We're just going to go with sugar, lowercase SUGAR, kind of a weird word, but I kind of want it to be out there, kind of something that nobody's just going to look at it and say, oh, they're doing a giveaway, because I don't want any bots in here. I don't want us to get hacked. Please don't say that it's for the giveaway, because that would be a dead ringer there of someone coming in, lots of bots trying to see what we're doing. For next week, I have a $25 gift card for you guys, and that is going to be to Calming Canvas Designs, and the owner is super sweet. Her name is Joy, and Joy is her company is new. I have unboxed for her. She has graciously sent me she has sent me a PR to unbox for her, and I loved it. I will also put that underneath the top of the eye at the right, and also underneath my description. And then I have a couple more coming from her that I'm really excited about, and I will share with you whenever I get them, so you can see, what to expect on some of her Christmas ones. But you should be able to see also the unboxing that I did, and I'm also working on that one slowly because I'm now working on this one. But that's for $25 gift card, and it could help you if you do not have a canvas already. But again, the word for next week is sugar, lowercase SUGAR. And so now I want to give away the gift card from last week, and that was the $25 DP with sparklers. And so I am going to draw for that and get set up for it, and then I will be right back. Okay, you guys, it's now time to pick a winner from last week, and that was the $15 gift certificate to DP with sparklers. And I have put in the YouTube video for it to find, and then the filter is going to be a specific keyword. That is going to be sparkle. I am not allowing any duplicates, and so let's click on continue. There were 31 comments, so now click on pick a winner, and this is L. Rhodey. I'm hoping that you can see this. Try to get bigger. L. Rhodey. Congratulations. And this says, I'm searching through my leftover ABs so I can make my piece sparkle even more. So awesome. Thank you so much. And if you did not win this week, no worries. Stay tuned for the random word that you will use for next week's. Congratulations to the winner of the DP with Sparklers gift card. I will be reaching out to you. I do have all of your information. I will send you an email and be expecting that from me, and then I will let you know what you need to do to claim that prize, if anything. Thanks so much for joining me today, and until next time, happy diamond painting. Bye.
Does she notice the things I notice? How she practices piano on